up that amp and set up that amp and make noise. Our pickle is swollen. Hey mommy, Mogami cables for your ass.
So the beginning of that next part is messed up anyway, so we'll go into that a little.
John, what do you call that? A closed circuit video?
I guess.
CCTV? Auto-tune for your mouth.
Auto-tune.
Just climbing in your windows and snatching your people up.
Aliens arcade game.
Which one? Which Aliens game? The one from
Like the 90s.
I was gonna say, the side-scrolling one.
Yes.
Yes. Where you're like with a gun. Yes, I have that on my computer.
It's a fucking humbuckers with two beers, man. Like those pickups are hot too, you know.
I was thinking of some like cult guy doing with it.
That wasn't very good, Sean.
Yeah, you fucked up a lot.
That wasn't very good. But that was the first time playing that part, a lot of it.
Oh yeah, because you weren't playing your
My leads. I wasn't playing like half of the shit. And the end part, I'm gonna do.
Octaves,
I got this.